Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday and welcome to week 3. In this video, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about what the expectations are for this week. One thing that I want to address right away, though, is that there seems to be a little bit of confusion about this upcoming folder or bar here. Many people I'm noticing are, when they want to know what they have to do for Brit Lit, they're just going straight to this sidebar and they're just clicking on the assignment and they're attempting to do the assignment without watching the lecture videos first. So they're running into a lot of issues because they don't understand what the assignment is asking them. They don't understand like certain terms that are being used. And so please, 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 don't just log into Schoology and select these tabs. Instead, you need to actually go find them in the lesson plan folders. And if you're not really sure where you need to find them, the lesson plan document will tell you. Okay, so yes, this is a great tool to use if you want to know what's due when, but please don't just click here and try to do the assignment without doing the lecture first. So again, when you log into our Brit Lit Schoology page, you should start here with the lesson plan document. So I'm going to open that up for you quickly. We are already on week 3, which is crazy. So as you can see in our lesson plan document, we are going to be beginning our Macbeth unit. So for this week, you're going to complete Macbeth lesson 1, 2, and 3. We're also going to set up some time for you to watch the first act of Macbeth, and I think that will help in terms of comprehension of the text. So again, we're doing the first 3 lessons of Macbeth. And then on Friday, you need to complete your independent reading time, and you're going to do lesson 1 of our language folder. So I'm going to walk you through those folders quickly. So again, you have to do Macbeth. And so we're going to just start with that Macbeth folder. So as you can see, I have lesson 1, 2, and 3. These are the lessons that you have to complete by this Thursday. So I just want to open one lesson up for you just to give you some reminders. So when you open up a lesson, I'm going to give you instructions that you need to follow. I'll always give you a lecture video and then the lecture notes. As you can see, my Google account is not connecting right now simply because my password changed this morning and I have to re-log in. And so I'll do that right after I make this video. If you still see these gray boxes by the time you log in, be sure to let me know because then something else is going on. But I'm pretty sure it's because my password changed this morning. So you'll also get a tone word document that I want you to look at. And then I've also given you an assignment to complete, and the assignment to complete will make more sense once you go through the lecture videos. So again, the lessons for Macbeth will all be built the same way, and so be sure to be going into the lesson folder so that you're getting the materials that you need. This week you also, like I said, have to be doing your independent reading. If you have questions about what that means, see this folder. And then lastly, on Friday, you're also going to be doing our first lesson of our language unit. And that lesson will be, like I said, it will be explained in the overview, and then you'll have notes here again. Again, you can't see it yet because I need to log into my password again. If you have any questions about what you need to complete this week, be sure to reach out. And then also just be aware that I'll also schedule general support sessions this week. And so if you'd rather come to my class to work on Brit Lit, you are welcome to do that. I'll have Brit Lit general support sessions on Wednesday and Thursday, and I'll have some on Friday too. So just be aware that you can come to my classroom to work on Brit Lit stuff this week as well. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. If not, have a great week, everyone. Bye!